This video shows how to register on the Consumer Diary website. To obtain assistance from our customer support team or to file a complaint about a product or a company, you need to register on the website. Due to the large number of queries received on our phone system, we are currently unable to provide support to unregistered visitors to our website. To register on the website, you will need an email address and a working mobile phone with active service. If you have both your email address and your mobile phone, click on the register button at the top left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, the user registration webpage is displayed now. Ensure that you complete all the fields that are bolded, such as your preferred username, verification code, etc., because these are the mandatory fields. The fields which are not in bold, such as zip code, your avatar, are not mandatory fields. Enter your preferred username in the text box as shown. For example, let us enter Sheetal03 as the preferred username. Now enter your email address into the field email address. Let us use sheetal.shet@ymail.com. In the next field, enter your 10-digit mobile number correctly. Please note that the password to log in to our website will be sent only to your mobile phone via SMS. So if you make any mistake here, you will not be able to complete your registration. When entering the mobile phone number, please do not prefix it with any zeros or use any special characters. Let us enter the mobile number here. Then enter your first name and your last name. Then enter your date of birth. You need to be more than 18 years old to register on this website. The date is in the format date, month, year. So let's enter the date of birth as 01. Select the month January from the drop-down menu and enter the year as 1984. Then enter your address. In the Your Address line 1 field, enter the first line of your address. As an example, we are entering number 52 KN Road. In the Your Address line 2 field, enter the second line of your address. As an example, we are entering 2nd Street, Saket. Then select your country as India and select your state and city. Then enter your PIN code in the text box provided. As an example, we are entering 6,10,000. Then please tell us how did you hear about us by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Sheetal has heard us through Google. So just select Google search engine from the drop-down menu. If you select the option none of the above, then enter the details as how you have heard about us in the text box provided. Then select the gender. As an example, we will select female. As default, it's been already selected. Then select your educational qualification from the drop-down menu. We'll assume Sheetal has completed her bachelor's degree. Then choose your employment details from the drop-down menu. We will assume Sheetal is a government employee. Then choose an avatar for you by clicking on Choose Avatar. Choose the avatar that you like by clicking on the image. The last part of the registration process requires that you enter a verification code as shown. Then read the terms and conditions of the website by clicking on Terms and Conditions. If agreeable, select this checkbox. Now click on the Register button to register on the Consumer Diary website. Once you're registered, this message success will be displayed. Click OK. Then check your email to see if you have received the verification email from Consumer Diary. Sometimes this email could take as long as 30 minutes to be delivered to your email. Also, at times, these emails may go into your spam folder. If you don't receive an email from us in 30 minutes, please contact our customer support. Read the email and click the link to verify the email address. Once you click on the link, the message "Congratulations" confirms that you have verified your registration with us. You will then get an SMS on your mobile phone with the username and password to log into consumerdaddy.com. Sometimes it may take as long as 30 minutes to have this SMS delivered to your mobile phone. If you do not receive an SMS from us in 30 minutes, please contact our customer support. Now, using the username and password, you can now log into our website, and this will complete the registration process. Click the login button to log into the website. Now Sheetal has logged into the Consumer Daddy website. Thank you for watching the video on how to register on the Consumer Daddy website.